Kwa dhie piny ma DRC nyakora juang piny Kenya ochiwore maneno ni kwe manimba oduoge piny Democratic Republic of Congo kama gie kinde ni kweth matama motisi ni M23 oyawo lweny gi jolweny ma DRC. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto singo ni Kenya biro tiyo gi yore manyalore ewi jiwo kwe e pinyno. Romo mar jiwo kwe mar DRC noyuore gi jatend Kenya machon Uhuru Kenyatta kod jotelo mamoko mag Afrika ma ugwe.
Nen romo mar adek ma obagi bore Nairobi, romo mar lalruok ewi kwe ma piny Democratic Republic of Congo DRC, jatend piny Kenya machon Uhuru Kenyatta emosobedo para manyime e jiwo kwe makamano. Kawuono ne jatend piny William Ruto regi jotelo mamoko e twak ewi tulo madhi nyime e alwora mag Goma piny Congo. Lalruok margi gisingo medo keto mahino e manyo kwe ne oganda jo DRC.
Kenya reiterates its unflinching support for efforts that support diplomatic and necessary military solutions to the effective restoration of sustainable peace and stability in DRC. We emphasize that regional peace and security remains our collective enterprise. Specifically for Kenya,
Romono bende no yuori gi jotend pinje mamoko mag Afrika ma ugwe kata East Africa Community kaka Paul Kagame ma Rwanda, Yoweri Kaguta ma Uganda, nyaka Felix Tshisekedi mane otwake yombui.
The dialogue should be preceded by ceasefire and disengagement of forces where there is fighting. The peaceful solution should be the outcome of that dialogue. But the victim communities and the refugees should also be consulted. There are 480,000 Congolese refugees in Uganda. And I was telling you that Uganda is the richest country in refugees in Africa.
The primary reason for this persistent crisis is the failure to implement the many agreements that have been reached at various levels and at different times in past years. I most sincerely believe that this time around, these efforts are going to bear good results.
Piny Kenya en achiel kuom pinje mamoko mag East Africa Community ma ose oro jolweny mondo odhi oket kwe e pinyno.
Because peace is important to Kenya, to DRC, to our region. President Kenyatta has done a wonderful job as he facilitates this process because collectively as a country we value peace.
To achieve the following objectives: to identify firstly the political process and institutional reforms necessary to create an environment conducive for the disarmament of armed groups at regional, national, and provincial level. Secondly, to consolidate support and active participation of communities in the disarmament, demobilization, reintegration, and community stabilization program, and address the political and institutional requirements for reintegration of armed groups into the communities.
Nakasani kweth mag M23 ma oyawo lweny gi jolweny mag DRC osebedo kasundo twak monyondo ji duto kaka okang' mar keto ler ewi midhiero ma okwako pinyno. Tulogo bende osemiyo moko kuom jopiny DRC owito ngimagi kama moko buora oseringo miechegi. Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.